Today we shall studying the chapter first, physics, rotational motion. Previously in class we discussed introduction about recall circular motion, its characteristics, then kinematics of circular motion, in this case angular displacement, angular velocity and angular acceleration. Now same today also discussing about. Here we see the first article 1.2.1 on textbook page number 1, kinematics of circular motion. In this case, take first point angular displacement. We know about angular displacement. We already know about the linear displacement is denoted as SI unit meter. But here new concept in case rotational angular displacement. Here see the figure circle. In case circle have center C, here center C and circumference. Take one point AC of radius R and trace the radius another C to B in angular velocity omega 1 in time t, we get angular displacement, that means angle theta, and that is said firstly theta 1. Then again this object move B to C, the radius vector trace here C center to circumference C. Here also we get another angular displacement theta with the help of angular velocity omega in time t. This angle is called here angular displacement. Its definition is, we know about previously we discussed, angular displacement is defined angle traced by the radius vector at the center C of the circle with respect to time is called angular displacement. We know about. Then in this case it's SI unit. Here radian are also, it is also called degree. Here see here degree. Same way we discussing about next point angular velocity. We know that angular velocity in case linear velocity. Linear velocity is denoted as v, and angular velocity is denoted as omega. We see in above figure omega 1, omega 2. In case in figure, when object move A to B, angular velocity omega produce, and again the object move B to C, that time its angular velocity omega 2 continuously changes. The magnitude is same, but direction is same. Direction is different. So here we get two angular displacement theta 1, theta 2. By this angular displacement used with respect to time, we can define angular velocity. Here omega is equal to theta 2 minus theta 1 divided by t2 minus t1. That means change in angular displacement by change in time. It can be write as d theta by dt. Then by this expression, omega is equal to d theta by dt or theta minus theta 1 minus t2 minus t1, we can explain its definition in case rate of change of angular displacement. काय दिलेलं आहे? रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ अँग्युलर डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज कॉल्ड अँग्युलर व्हेलॉसिटी. तर मग याचं याचा युनिट काय असेल? तर डी थीटा जो दिलेला आहे, या डी थीटाला आपण इथे रेडियन किंवा डिग्री म्हणलेला आहे, तोच इथे रेडियन. देन डिवाइड बाय टाइम, टाइम इन मेजर इन सेकंड, सो इट्स एसआय युनिट इज रेडियन पर सेकंड. अशा टाईपचं अँग्युलर व्हेलॉसिटी याच फिगरवरून केलेलं आहे. मग आता याच फिगरमध्ये आपल्याला जसं अँग्युलर डिस्प्लेसमेंट थीटा 1 थीटा 2 मिळालं, तसंच याच फिगरमध्ये अँग्युलर व्हेलॉसिटी ओमेगा 1 ओमेगा 2 असं मिळालेलं आहे. या अँग्युलर व्हेलॉसिटीवरून आपल्याला अँग्युलर ॲक्सेलरेशन काढायचं. आपल्याला माहिती आहे लिनियर ॲक्सेलरेशन कशाने दाखवतो आपण? लिनियर ॲक्सेलरेशन परत व्हिडिओ चालू आहे.